Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sumit Kumar. In my previous video, I showed that how to make water cycle model by thermocool. अगर आपने मेरी वीडियो को नहीं देखा है तो आपको उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। तो आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। Water is the most important thing in our life as we know it. So today I am going to explain what is the water cycle. Let me explain by using a model which I have made myself. See, is it is beautiful? Please reply in comment box. Now friends, you can see my model carefully. This is sun. This is warm ocean. This is river. These are houses on the land. These are mountains. And these are clouds. Now, my question is that what is water cycle? Water cycle क्या होता है? Water cycle is also called hydrologic cycle. Water cycle को hydrologic cycle भी कहा जाता है. इसकी definition है the cycle that involves the continuous circulation of water in the atmosphere is called as water cycle. Means एटमॉस्फेयर में जो वाटर का सर्कुलेशन होता है, मतलब अर्थ सरफेस से वाटर वेपर्स से फिर से पानी बनने की साइकिल होती है, उसे वाटर साइकिल कहते हैं. इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप द वाटर इवेपोरेट, बट हाउ? लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. फर्स्ट द सन रेज fell on the ocean and ocean get heated, then the water changes into water vapor. This is called evaporation. You can see. If you want to see the water vapors, you can tell your mama to boil some water in the kitchen and you can see water vapors. In the second step, the water vapor rises up in the sky and go higher and higher. They become little water droplets, and many water droplets gather together and mix with some dust and gases. They form as cloud. That's why we see the clouds. This is called condensation. You can see. In the third step, when the more of water droplets gather inside the cloud cannot hold the water anymore, and the cloud becomes heavy and changes into the black cloud. Now, as the cloud cannot hold the water fell on the earth in the form of rain. This is called precipitation. You can see, this is rain. In the fourth step, as the rain falls on the surface of the earth, the water flows into the river and the river goes back into the ocean, and then the cycle starts again. So these are the four steps of the water cycle. It is evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and water going back from river to ocean. I hope I have explained it well. Thank you. Have a great day. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.